Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to change default font style and size in Excel sheet. See here, this is the default font size and this is the default font size. When you create each new sheet, this will be the default font style and size. Okay, Gallipoli is the style here and 11 size is used. Okay, if you want to change it to other font style and size for every new sheet that you are creating, yes, you can do it. So to change from default to other font size and style, go to file option here, go to file option here and then go to options here, go to options and here tap on general and here come to when creating new workbooks. Under this you will see use this as default font. Okay, so this is the default font. Gallipoli is already set as default. If you select it, you will see other option. You can here select. I select this one and also you can increase font size or decrease font size. Here I increase font size up to 24 and I click on OK. Now this selected font style and size will be applied for every new sheet that will be creating hereafter. Okay, click on OK. Here you go to close the Microsoft Excel and then you go to open so that it will take effect. Okay, totally you go to close the sheet. Okay, close the workbook and then you go to open the Excel sheet again and create new one. See here, a font size and style have been changed. So from now this will be the default. Okay, so in this way you can easily change default font style and size in Excel sheet. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.